popped back, came right
Welcome to the non-tornado, or high wind damage, as they say. This is what high wind damage will do. It will take an entire live maple or oak and pull it out of the ground.
Put it across 2 properties.
And put it across 2 properties. Here, take the dog. And that is a tree. It's our yard, what used to be our yard. And that's a tree that could very well fall down tonight if it storms again. That's my husband. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, husband.
There's another.
That's where the power went into the house.
Yeah.
That's where I came from.
Another tree that's severely leaning. This one is really leaning because of all the branches on it. Here's our, used to be our driveway. And a giant tree. Power lines all the way across the garage. There's power lines uprooted in the tree. We've got no power. Table's still there.